Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing an unboxing video of a MacBook Air that I just purchased, so I can join the ranks of 1,000 other MacBook unboxing videos there are on YouTube. So let's get into it. So here it is here. This is the M4 MacBook Air. I'm a PC guy and use PCs for absolutely everything, for my work, for video games, for everything else, and my video editing. However, the last time I had a MacBook was probably about 2007, so it's been some time since I had a MacBook. Back then I did enjoy using the MacBook. I used it for my photography business. I used it to make some audio, some music. It was fun to use, it was easy to use, it was quick, it was well built. It was just a pleasure to use, just as opposed to a PC. I'll be getting some more equipment shortly that I need a laptop for, and I currently don't have one. So I thought I'd just buy this. I bought the base model. This is only the 256GB version. Anything I want to do, I'll be using external storage anyway, and I just don't think it could justify another $300, $400 to go up to the 512GB version. I don't need to use a MacBook Pro. I've got a very powerful PC at the moment, which I use DaVinci Resolve with to do other video projects and to create these videos. But I'd love to see the new iMovie and some video, just some basic photo editing and whatnot. So let's get into it. One of the things about the MacBooks is their packaging, which we always know, which all the other videos say, that it's always a pleasure to open these packaging instead of ripping everything apart. Straight away in my hand, it just feels really nice, well balanced, feels good quality. It's reasonably weighty, doesn't feel plastic. I've got some HPs and Lenovo's and Dells, and they just feel real cheap. This straight out of the box, it feels great. This must be our charging cord. Once again, just really neatly packaged. Looks good, feels good. This must be the paperwork, stickers. We'll keep that aside. Oh, and here's the charger. Not much to it. Well, that's it. That's great. Fantastic. All right. Apparently you can get a bigger charger as well, so you can charge it quicker. But for now, this will do me. I'll be using this to take out into the field and do on-the-fly edits, do some web page design, have a bit of fun, watch a few movies. I do a bit of traveling. Wow. Feels great. Feels real nice. Look at that. This one is the midnight color. I was going to get a silver, but I saw the midnight and it just looked a little bit more trendier. Oh, that's real nice. So I just opened the lid and it turns on. I think I read about this where it does do that, and you can actually turn it off in settings. The body feels good, the screen looks great. So I played with the keyboard in the store, and it just felt really good. I tell you what, the keyboards of all the laptops I've ever used is so much nicer on the Apple Mac. Okay, so this is it. What have we got on the side? We've got our power, 2 USB-C, and I assume that's a headphone, so not much to it. I'll have to buy a dock for it as well, so I can plug it into monitors and connect other USB devices to it. But for now, we're quite good. The touchpad feels really good as well. Not now. Okay, we can update later for that. Let's get into it. Continue. Not now, we don't need to migrate. One of the great things about the MacBook Air is it essentially mirrors my phone and puts my wallet and my location services and other apps like Notes. Sure, I can go into a Windows PC and log in to iCloud and access them. I'm hoping also to access like the iMessage feature as well. I'm not going to use this as my main computer just yet. If I really like it, yeah, I might actually sell this one on eBay and flip it and then put that money towards a MacBook Pro with more storage. But we'll see how we go. I just want it for really one purpose when I'm away. Here we've got the Apple Intelligence, and I was using this in the store. Just like ChatGPT, which I've been using a lot, this is embed into the MacBook, and essentially you can write an email or a document and you can highlight it. You can rewrite your text multiple times with AI and pick the best response that you like. I found that feature really fun. Probably make us all dumb, but it's fun and it's cool at the moment. We'll take everyone's jobs, but it's cool at the moment. This is a feature my last one didn't have, and this is biometrics. This is my fingerprint ID. Some people believe that it's a breach of privacy. From everything I've read, the fingerprint is actually encoded into the device and actually not sitting on a server somewhere. So I hope that's true. Okay, great, we're in. So what do we got here? The screen is really nice. Hardly any reflections. So this is really good as well. This is bringing down my notes. This is bringing down my photos that are all on my iPhone. I used to be a photographer and I used to use Photoshop and Lightroom and take dance photography, and I used to shoot horse shows and weddings and events. Anyway, COVID ruined that, and I thought I'd give it all away, and I sold all my equipment. I had multiple Canon DSLRs, large lenses, you name it, studio setups, paper backdrops, flash gear, the whole kit and caboodle. And I sold all that, and I got back into doing videos for YouTube. The quality of my iPhone is probably better now than my old DSLRs. And I've also got a Sony camera here as well, which is still better than my DSLRs, and it's a lot smaller as well. I don't have any editing programs anymore, but looking at this Photos app, these are just JPEGs, so they're not raw, and they don't have the capability of pulling out all the shadows and the highlights and all that. However, it'll be fun to still have a little program that I can edit and adjust some photos with. So that will be fun to use. This is interesting. This is iPhone mirroring. And it says here, your iPhone on your Mac, quick access to iPhone apps. With iPhone mirroring, you can adjust your phone apps and content with just one click. View and act on notifications. iPhone notifications display on your desktop. No need to reach for your phone. So I'll do that. I'll get my phone. Oh, so I put my phone aside. Oh, and here's my phone. That is great.
And so, for example, for a long time, a research project at Mount Stromlo has been, hey, let's find the...
Wow. That is great. So I can even listen to podcasts on it as well.
Walking into walking, that step, because you're being carried along, is an unusually large step, and that's part of the whole phantom job. This disconnect between where you think you are, and you've got different senses. Your eyes are telling you one thing, but your balance is telling you another thing, and your legs are telling you another thing. But when you come across a...
Can we send it from our Mac? I think I can. That's great. Back in 2007, when I first got my MacBook, I had to pay for Pages and Numbers, which is like the Microsoft Office suite but for Mac. And now I find out that it's actually incorporated into the operating system, so it's not something extra that you have to buy. That was a little unboxing video of my new MacBook Air. Once I've used it a little bit more, used some applications, played with it a bit more, find any tips and tricks, I'll share it with another video. For now, see you later guys.